going on, everybody? My name is Chris. This is our channel with Sillage. Thank you all so much for tuning in. For all the returning subscribed CS soldiers, as always, welcome back. And I'm here at Penn's Landing today in Philadelphia, which is like a festival pier in Philadelphia. And I'm here to bring you an offering from the House of Libertine Fragrances. This is going to be a first impressions video, so I'm not going to be able to give you like longevity or projection and how long these last, but Libertine Perfumes is a great conceptual house from Canada, actually. The house owner and perfumer, Josh Scott, was actually a Forrester turned designer turned perfumer, and he was inspired to make his own fragrances after a bunch of designer releases were doing the basic conventional things. He wanted to step outside the realm, use a lot of natural, unique ingredients, and create fragrances. So today we're just going to get a couple first impressions on a bunch of the fragrances offered by Libertine. And just to be fully transparent, these fragrances were sent to me from Josh, which, Josh, I really appreciate you sending me these. But as we talked about also, that doesn't mean that I'm not going to give my own opinion on these fragrances, but I'm excited to dive into this house. So here we go. And the first fragrance that we're going to dive into is called Witch Doctor. Each fragrance comes with these cool little cards too. There's a little description and inspiration about the fragrance. So the notes in Witch Doctor that are listed are wormwood, Texas cedarwood, rough leather, birch tar, dark patchouli, and smoldering amber. You're gonna get a couple nice sprays out of this fragrance. Really nice sprayers on samples. Wow. Wow, Witch Doctor is very unique. Definitely get a lot of the woody composition. Definitely getting a lot of the cedar. Almost reminds me of a cedar chest, actually. And a lot of that that birch tar too. This is a nice, I don't want to say smoky, but it does have like a smoky nuance to it. Very woody, very well done, and totally unique. Really good first one to try, Witch Doctor. The next one I picked out of the sample line is called Soft Woods. And the notes in soft woods are black pepper, juniper berries, balsam fir, woody notes, rose de mai, frankincense, and bourbon vanilla. Sounds like it might have a little bit of a gourmandy nuance to it. Oh, wow. Wow, this one is beautiful. This one's beautiful. Get a lot of the fir notes in this, almost coniferous. And the rose de mai, this is such a good blend. This is such a good blend. Wow, it's hard to say which one of the notes sticks out in particular. It's really blended so well. Wow. So far I'm impressed from Libertine. The next sample we're going to dive into is called Troubled Spirits. The main notes in Troubled Spirits are honeyed fruits, orange zest, dark rose, bourbon oak, vanilla, and amber. Wow. Wow, these are all really blended so well. It's almost hard to differentiate the notes, honestly. I almost get it smells like a cognac to me more. Really beautiful. I get a little bit of the honey with a little zestiness from the orange, but it's blending so well that it's hard to differentiate the notes. Really awesome composition. Troubled Spirits. Next one I picked out is called Soft Grass. Main notes of soft grass are mimosa flower, fresh hay, tonka bean, pipe tobacco, golden sunshine, and something called boltus, which I'm not really familiar with. I'm hoping this one to be a little bit more of a green offering. I'm really on a green kick lately, so Let's see what soft brass has to offer. Yeah, it's definitely green. Wow. Wow, really, really prominent here is almost, it does invoke, I don't want to say a mowed lawn. It doesn't have like a grassy kind of feel. More so I'm getting a lot of the hay out of this. A lot of the hay, a lot of the hay sweetened up with the pipe tobacco that's in this. Really well done. Next one we're going to try is Smoked Bloom. And with Smoked Bloom, what it says that it's in there is bay leaf, apricot, bergamot, osmanthus, smoky vetiver, and creamy sandalwood. A couple sprays. Right away with Smoked Bloom, I definitely pick up on the apricot that's in this. This one, this one as unisex as these fragrances are, I'm not saying that this is 100% feminine, but it leans slightly feminine to my nose at least. Once again, these are totally 100% unisex fragrances, but that being said, I think that on me, the apricot would come out even more, as it tends to do when it's in a fragrance. And it might come off a little bit more feminine. Still a beautiful, beautiful blend, and really well done. It's not dark like I thought it was going to be. I thought with a dark vetiver, get a little bit of sandalwood in there. Really, really well done. Really, really well done. I would like to smell this. I would like to smell this on a woman. And that one is Smoked Bloom. Next one that we have that we picked is called Sex Jasmine. The notes are night blooming jasmine, Hawaiian sandalwood, aged patchouli, ambergris, and vanilla. Now, jasmine is sort of a hard note for me. It comes off really, really flowery, personally on my skin, but let's see how this one works. Yeah, you definitely get a lot of the jasmine with this. It's really, that's the ambergris, and it almost gives it like a salty, flowery scent. I'm getting a slight hint of the vanilla as well. And I'm definitely getting a lot of the patchouli as well. I think out of all the ones that I tried so far, this one would be my least favorite personally. Not saying that it's bad. I just don't see myself wearing it. Once again, I just have trouble with jasmine coming off of my skin, just smelling really, really potent and really, really flowery. So not saying that this is bad at all. It would just be one that I would skip personally and I wouldn't wear. Last but not least is a fragrance that I was actually really, really excited to try from the line. I think it was their more newer release, and it is called Eros Fig. The notes in Eros Fig are just really, really interesting to me. I'm going to read them out to you. It's mandarin, fig leaf, blackcurrant, dried fig, coconut, sandalwood, benzoin, and honey. This is one that I was really looking forward to trying from their line. A couple nice sprays in there. Ah. It's really, really well blended and hard to decipher the individual notes. The fig in here is definitely the fig leaf that I'm getting. I'm not getting too much of the fig fruit, but I am getting a little bit of almost zestiness and light sweetness from the mandarin orange, and the coconut in here almost reminds me of the outside of the coconut, the bristly coconut skin, if you will. Really, really nice. Really, really well done. This is This is a great fig scent though. Like I said, it's more of a fig leaf to me. I'm not getting too much of the fig fruit, but it's absolutely beautiful. Really like Eros fig. So all in all, I'm actually sort of upset that I didn't learn about Libertine fragrances sooner. They offer these sample packs for $40, and I think it's a great way to try these fragrances. And I'm sort of mad that I'm just discovering them as well, because now I'm gonna have to catch up and buy a lot of these. I think my most favorite ones were Witch Doctor, Soft Woods, the Troubled Spirits, and the Eros Fig. Those four just were so well blended. All of them were well blended, but those ones just really spoke to me. I think this is definitely a house to check out and try if you're looking for something unique, if you're looking for something a little different, but just smell really good, really beautiful compositions. And I'm gonna leave a link to their website down below. Check out the offerings for Libertine fragrances. Josh, I really appreciate you sending me out these samples. It really means a lot to try, and I'll be getting in contact with you soon because I'll be purchasing a couple of these. With the quality that you're offering, I'm really excited to be doing full reviews on these soon. Everyone, thank you so much for watching. You know that it always means the world to me. Love you guys, and as always, and most importantly, go frag yourselves.